Hello friends and welcome to our next class, and in this class we'll be finding the square of the numbers with base 100 in just single line. So this formula is strictly applicable to only numbers which are ending with 5. So let's suppose if you want to find the square of 75, now what is the method is, first you will right away directly write the square of 5. We know square of 5 is 25. We would increase the first digit by 1, that is 8, and would multiply it with the previous, that is 7 times 8 is 56. There you go, this is the square of 75. Let's take on another example to get a better understanding. 95, 5 square is 25 and we succeed 9 by 1, so 10. So 10 times 9 is 90, so 9025. Similarly for 105, 5 square is 25 and 10 times 11, we increase the value of 10 by 1, that is 11, that is 110 and 25. Now let's find the squares of numbers with base 100 and their value is less than 100. By saying that, what do I mean is, let's suppose if you want to find a value of 97, what you would do is, you know its base is 100, okay, and it is 3 less to become 100. We would first square the value of the difference which it lacks, that is 3 square is 9, and now we will subtract this value, that is minus 3, from 97, and the answer is 94. So here you go, this is the answer. 9409 is the square for 97. Let's take another example. 98, it lacks two numbers, it is two numbers less to become 100 and its base is 100. So first we will square that number, that is 04, and we will subtract 98 with minus 2. It comes out to be 96. So its answer is 9604. So this is the way you would be finding squares of numbers with base 100 and they are less than 100, not above 100. So in this case we'll be finding the squares of numbers with base 1000 with the same technique, no new inventions. So let's suppose if you want to find a square of 999 square, and so over here its base is 1000 and it lacks one number to be 1000, so we'll square its number, that is 0001, and we would subtract it with 999, that is 998. So this is how you would be doing. You would be finding square of numbers with the base of 1000 less than 1000, with the base 1000 but the value is less than 1000. Similarly for 10,000, 10 lakhs, millions, and so on. So in the next step we'll find how do you find the square of a number which is greater than 100. So over here there is a minute change in the steps. This number is 2 ahead of 100, two numbers ahead of 100, so it's positive 2. So we will square that positive 2, which is 04, and we will add that 2 to 102. It comes out to be 104, and you are done. So this is how you will be finding the square of the number whose base is 100 and they are above 100. Similarly for 105, it is 5 more than 100, so we'll directly write the square of 5, that is 25, and we'd add 105 with 5, that is 110. Okay, now another method to solve this problem is, as I have talked earlier, the numbers ending with 5 we could directly do with that formula as well. If you remember, 5 square is 25 and we would increase the 10 with 1, that is 11. So 11 times 10 is 110. So again you're on right track. Now a very important note has to be taken that this method is applicable to numbers only around their bases. So let's suppose if you want to find the square of 71, so what you will do, so this number lacks 29, its base is 100, okay, and it's less than 100, so we can apply, surely we can apply that formula. But you should also note that this number is 29 less to become 100, and you'll be squaring that 29. That is a hectic job to do. The square of 29 is 841. We carry the 8 and we would subtract 71 with 29, which comes out to be 42, and we'll just add that carry, it comes out to be 5041. So if you're good with your squares with huge number, then you can go with this method as well. But I would suggest you, if you are looking to find a square of numbers ranging around 80 to 120, then you are good with this step, with this kind of trick. So that's all for this class. Thank you.